Hey guys, it's Newkid from Newkid.com and this is the TECNO Spark 2 unboxing and my first impressions. The Spark 2 is the second generation of the Spark series, which is a budget phone with a little something extra. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button down below to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video drops. As with its predecessor, it comes in an orange box with some of the specs on it. When you open the box, you're greeted with the smartphone. This one comes in midnight black. It also has some key features highlighted. Let's go ahead and peel out the stickers on the back and on the front. You get a screen protector pre-applied. Let's power this up while we see what else is in the box. We have earphones, a SIM ejector tool, a specification manual. We can see there's no 4G LTE support on this guy, a micro USB cable, a 1.2 amp charger, a warranty card, a card from Boomplay Music, and a smoky plastic case that has a very grippy, stylish design at the bottom. On the front of the device, you have a 6-inch 1440 by 720 HD plus 18:9 aspect ratio display. On top of that display, you have an 8-megapixel front-facing camera with dual flash, a speaker, and notification LED. On the back, you have a 13-megapixel camera with triple flash and fingerprint sensor. On the left, you have a SIM tray that houses 2 nano SIMs that are 2G and 3G ready and 1 SD card. On the right, you have a power button and volume rocker keys. On the top, you have nothing. On the bottom, you have a speaker, a micro USB port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This unit has 16GB of storage and 1GB of RAM, out of which you get 11GB out of the box available to you. There's also a 2GB variant that will be available as well. The CPU is the MediaTek 6580 paired with a Mali 400MP GPU, same one as its predecessor. The Spark 2 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, which saves you a lot of space by shipping with light version of Google Apps. Unlike the usual Google Apps, they use very little of your storage and consume even less data. You even get Gboard Go as your default keyboard. It's all powered by a 3500 mAh battery. There's no quick charging, but it should be sufficient to get you through more than a day of usage, at least medium usage. I'll be showing more of that in my full review. The Spark 2 is only slightly bigger than the Camon X Pro, as you can barely notice it here. The camera has a vertical layout as seen on the Camon CM. The display on the Spark 2 is only a HD Plus display, but it has great viewing angles. Both have 2.5D glass, and the distinguishing feature between the Camon X Pro and the Spark 2 would be the rounded corners on the Camon X Pro. Let me know which one you prefer, rounded or 4-corner. The TECNO Spark 2 doesn't have a lot of bloatware, but I'm glad they kept some things like the file manager and phone master. To get to the Face ID and fingerprint setup, go to Settings and Security. The Face ID and fingerprint protection are easy to set up, but isn't the fastest we've seen on a TECNO phone. Yes, you can lock any app or all your apps with the Face ID or fingerprint security. I did a video about that and I'll be leaving the link above. In the quick settings, you have auto brightness, one-hand use, and eye care, which I have quickly become a fan of. I almost always have it on. Now onto the camera, you have the usual setup: video, normal, beauty, and night mode. On the front, you have the portrait mode. You also get HDR for both the front and the back camera. The portrait shots I took were pretty decent, and as for the Mix Flash 2.0, here's a side-by-side taken with and without the Mix Flash. The results I got from the 13-megapixel camera was nothing short of amazing for a budget phone, but I would have to do some camera comparison with another phone to find out just how good budget phones have gotten. So be on the lookout for that video and let me know which you would like me to compare it with in the comment section down below. The price of the TECNO Spark 2 is unknown as at this time of filming, but I'll be leaving the price in the description box as soon as it's announced. Thanks for watching, and do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you wish to see what I'm up to. Till next time guys, peace.